Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Honda CRV. It comes with 30,965 original miles. It is powered by the reliable B20B 2.2 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This CRV is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. These seats do stow away to create more cargo room, and it does come with interior hanging rails on both sides. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that you're seeing, 49,835. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 30,965. All right, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.